Okay, we have another gift that we're gifting out, and we want to get comments and tell us how we're doing and everything. Let me see. I wanted to give Trisha something for baby Bella. And I'm not sure if baby Bella even wears bows anymore. But I wanted to show. So we're giving, not this one, but this is the Chosen. I am getting Fiona's daughter, her little cousin, the Serenity. These are the Serenities. And we're also gifting them. Just showing them, just a minute. We're gifting them the Chosen. And I can make the bow in any color. And I'm trying out different headbands. I did all these headbands because of the baby. But the bigger girls may want something more like a scrunchie band. And so this is the Cookie. And so the design is different from the Chosen, of course.
Cookie.
Yes, and that's the Chosen.
The bows.
See the bows? And then, so what we're getting, is it cute? What we're getting, and I have to hurry up because it's bedtime. We're going to give her 3 bows from different lines, but we're only featuring the Chosen, and we're going to only feature that on the website. So the colors are pink and purple. Are you okay, Mama? What's wrong? You okay? So, you okay, Missy? Sugar girl? Yeah, it's time for her to go to bed for real. So, I'm putting her bows, Miss Baby Bella. And I did this headband, so you have to tell me. I did different headbands. So this one, so I'm not sure when I do it, do I let you determine the headband? Or do I just have some with so many bands? So this is a nicer band. This is, a different band. And then I have another nice band here. And then we have on the back side M&M bows, which I thought was really nice. What's wrong, Mama? You want your giraffe? Are you doing stuff? Okay, let her do that. So we're going to, you want your water?
No water.
No water? Here, you have to hold it.
Hold it.
Now. So, I'm trying to see how we want to lay it in. So I did the camouflage. We're at Fort Hood, so pull. But just to show like variations. And so you have to say what you think about this band. And I'm not sure if Baby Bella even wear the headbands or not. That's what I was saying. So I think I do like to read this before you take everything out. So I have that side wrapped and then stop and you'll be able to read, and I'll give you a comment card so that you can read before you even open anything up. And then also, I think I put this in Keisha's. I love this. The little card that's really saying thank you. It should have went on top like that. Hopefully I did the last one like that. You think so?
No.
You think so, May? So this is Mattie and Mae hair bows. And I was praying to God have their own business. What's wrong? I might have to put you to bed. Or we ready for some milk? Just a minute. Yeah, so I'm not even sure if we're gonna, I wanted to do everybody's today, but I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to. Because the baby is sleepy. And like I say, I had to go to work. And then goal was to get that done today. And just a minute. We gotta add the sticker. And we have these cute stickers. I really like them. We got them from Sticker Mule. Yes, and it's just like a thank you. And then let me see. I think we want the big box. And really what I was thinking at first initially, so you all have to tell me, I was going to pack the bows in just this and wrap them with the tissue paper. And then I was sleeping and woke up and said, no, I can't do it like that. So this is the big box. But this one, I think this medium size may be too tight. So, and this box really has lots of room. Oh no, this box, this is my medium box. I think it might fit. Let me see. You think it fits? So a little bit about May is she is potty trained and she's been potty trained. We started potty training her when she was 15 months. No, I think this is going to be too tight. I'm just going to do the big one. Too tight. So that's going to be for Miss Anderson and her 3 girls. Just a minute. And so she just needs to make sure she goes poo-poo in the woo-woo. Right? But very smart and working on your letters. And I think I'm going to start working on her reading. Smart? How old are you? 2 years old. How smart. That's right. Tell them bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, see you later. See you later, alligator. Okay, we have 2 more things to wrap, and then we're good. Right, Cece? Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching Mattie and Mae Bows. Like, comment, subscribe.